Hello.
Hello.
Okay. This is Nene channel, Henry 600 channel collaboration. It is also my first video, so it's actually pretty special.
And it's really special to my sister to make her first video.
And it's really special to my little brother because it's going to be his first non-cringy video.
Yeah.
Hashtag burn. What?
Oh my god.
So my game is loading, and oh my god, it's taking forever.
No.
What's up, little dude?
Nope. I'm going on the green. Easy. 3 stars out of 8. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. And I said,
Okay, Jake.
I'm in the green one now. I teleported to the green one.
I see you.
Easy is too easy. Easy is
Yay!
my game is laggy. My game was laggy. Laggy. My game is really laggy. My game is really laggy.
What just happened?
We got sucked into the game. Just like Jumanji. Oh, junk! No,
But I don't see any, blocks or anything.
I see one right there, which you should jump on.
Oh, shoot! My game didn't load.
I should press that button. Ah! No! If you touch the water, you die. Dang it. I look like a lunch lady.
No, you don't.
Yes, he does.
So, Xavier, did you die yet?
Yes.
Okay, go to the easy lift again.
2 more players out of 8.
Ew!
It smells bad now since I farted.
He's really gross. I'm climbing.
You're about to not get sucked in.
Oh my god!
What? Hey, let me have something.
They're M&M's, eh?
You don't have any more if you keep on hogging all of them.
Oh my god, I see someone's soul. Nope.
Someone's soul? Who?
Page or person. I can go through them. Jose, the game's starting.
Oh, John. Room 1.
I got stuck in the wall.
I'm stuck in the floor.
Help!
Water is about to come up.
Help!
See? Blue, blue, blue.
Help!
Blue! Bro! What the? Jeez! I'm stuck underground!
I died.
Oh my god. He couldn't even say anything.
That's rude. They closed the door on me. That's rude.
They closed the door on my face. What do you have to say about that? To escape. Players need to escape. 2 players need to escape. How did you get here so fast? Did you jump?
Ew.
Okay, here. One more M&M. Spooky, scary skeleton. Yellow skulls your sky. Geeky skulls are sky.
Don't mind him. He doesn't know the words to any songs.
You're lucky you don't have to wear a hairnet like me. Go.
Xavier, no, you're not. Ah.
I wanna wear a hairnet so bad. Even though I'm not wearing one. 'Cause I'm not wearing one. Pick 8 easy.
Give me your phone. Divizi. What did you just read?
Oh, I read this. If you want to pick one, you just player is and easy.
Lowering lift.
Where? Oh,
Come on.
I can't jump. Oh,
I can.
I can.
Oh, shoot. Oh my god. This is lagging so badly. It just sucks.
Where?
No! I fell! No! Oh, the game's gonna let me cheat. Okay. I mean, I'm not complaining. The game's gonna let me cheat, then let me cheat.
Dang.
No! Dang it.
I'm the only one left. I'm the only one left. Yes! Made it right there. Okay, so one player made it. If they made it, I should be able to make it. Okay. No!
You died?
Yes! Dang it! So close! I was like right at the finish line. I went to the water. I was at the edge. Walked a little bit forward. And man, I fell in.
This sucks.
Want to play a different game?
No!
Taunt E. Taunt E. Taunt easy.
Come on.
Okay.
The lift is gonna leave.
Uh-oh. One player left.
I'm just kidding. The lift isn't gonna leave.
One player left. That was the other one.
Easy.
That boy is really good.
We good. Xavier, I'm gonna spectate people. 'Cause I'm bored.
Spectate people.
That means watch people while they play. I'm watching someone playing the easy one.
What? How do you
Steals
do
mine.
that?
You have to press the binoculars picture, and then you can pick which game mode you want to watch people play.
Oh, I see.
No, I'm picking hard, and I'm gonna watch XX something kills noob.
Oh, okay. I'm watch medium. Dang, that boy knows how to do parkour. Oh.
Okay, could this lift go down, please?
How did he?
We are waiting for 5 years. Jesus bites.
He did the code. He's hardcore.
This is so okay, Xavier, the guy in easy died. So we're gonna go down soon.
Yeah. Go down. 3, 2, 1.
Nope. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going down. Round beginning. Take us down.
To the ground.
Oh, I see the block. Is it the same every no, it's not the same every level.
I can't even move.
No! Where do I jump down? Oh, I jump up here.
I can't move.
Well, now you're dead on my screen.
I'm dead on my screen. Ah.
Well, why are you complaining that you can't move when you're dead? Of course you can't move when you're dead.
No, I couldn't move when I was.
No! Where do I go? Ah! No!
What?
I'm gonna die! Okay. No!
I'm gonna go for a
Oh, dang
challenge.
it! I died!
I'm gonna go for a challenge. I'm gonna go for me.
I freaked out and then I died. Dang it. Guide.
What the?
Oh my god, you're so rude. Why are you walking away from me? You rude piece of poop.
Oh.
Why are you
go for
walking
easy.
away?
Which one is you? 2 markers.
Goodbye. Xavier, I'm coming. I already died.
I'm watching these 3.
What does taunt even do?
What? Wait! We can watch our video.
Xavier, you just finished your recording.
Oopsie.
Okay, since he stopped his recording, I guess I'll stop mine. Bye! And sorry, it was so cringy.